is TFNN, the Tiger Financial News Network. TFNN Headline News Update.
Good afternoon, everybody. I'm Tommy O'Brien, coming to you live from TFNN headquarters in St. Petersburg, Florida, 3 p.m. Eastern time on Wednesday. 1 hour left to go in the trading day, and we got some Fed minutes hitting the market this afternoon. Right now, you have the Dow up 214 points. Trading at, we will get it, trading at 26,178. We get the S&Ps up 19 points, trading at 2920. NASDAQ up 57 points, trading at 8,006. All the markets pulling back a bit in the last hour as we get the Fed minutes. And we're going to start it off with those Fed minutes. And there are your headlines. So the Fed says July rate cut was a, quote, recalibration and not part of a preset course for more easing. The market, of course, would have loved to hear that they're on a marching course to lower rates. That's not exactly what was in there. Fed officials who voted to lower interest rates 3 weeks ago agreed that the move shouldn't be viewed as part of a preset course for future cuts. So there you go. With that in mind, let's jump over to the charts. We'll start off with the S&P. There's your 2 o'clock bar. We come into that bar at about 29.19. We come in at 29.24. You saw an initial spike right down to 29.19. You get the market trading at 29.20 right now. NASDAQ 100 trading at 77.26. Had been as high early in the day as 77.65. Dow 30 trading at 26,171. Earlier in the day, trading about 100 points higher, maybe 90 points higher at 26,263. And you can see that volatility right at 2 o'clock. We were trading at 26,228. So you're really only talking about 50 Dow points. Pretty muted response as the market kind of anticipating what they were going to have to say. Crude oil early this morning above $57. You got crude trading down 55.64 right now. Gold contract with a little bit of volatility on that number as well. You have gold trading at 15.11, was up there at 15.17 about 45 minutes ago. And the euro US dollar, volatility as well on the Fed minutes. Initially, you had the euro spiking higher to 111.05. Right now, we're under that mark at 110.84. In terms of what else you have happening across the market, checking in on some of the companies that are crushing it on earnings. You had Lowe's coming out with their earnings at 6 a.m. this morning, continuing to hold those gains up more than 10%. And Target holding their gains as well, up almost 19%. All-time highs for Target, trading at 101.65. Stay tuned, folks. We got a treat. We got our man Basil Chapman filling in for Tom for the first hour. And if you haven't checked it out, folks, he'll be back at 5 p.m. with his subscribers. Check it out on the front page of Opening Call. Subscriber webinar tonight at 5 o'clock. Stay tuned, folks. Basil Chapman coming up.